In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable link to a Facebook post. This handy feature is great for sharing interesting articles, promoting your website, or directing friends to a specific page. Let's walk through the process step by step to make sure you can easily accomplish this. First, you'll want to head over to your Facebook profile. Simply open your preferred web browser or Facebook app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile page. This is your personal space where you can share updates, photos, and, of course, links with your friends and followers. Now that you're on your profile, let's find the right spot to start crafting your post. Look for the text box that prompts you with what's on your mind. This is where you can express your thoughts, share updates, and importantly, add links. Click on this text box to begin creating your post. Once you've clicked on what's on your mind, you can start typing out your message. But since we're focusing on adding a clickable link, you'll want to paste the link directly into the text box. To do this, simply copy the URL you wish to share from your browser's address bar. Then go back to the Facebook post text box and paste it there. It's important to ensure that the link is complete, starting with HTTP or HTTP/, as this is what makes it clickable. After pasting the link, Facebook will automatically generate a preview of the page you're linking to. This preview can include images, a title, and a brief description, providing a quick snapshot of what's on the other side of the link for your readers. This can be a great way to entice your audience to click through and see more. Before you hit the post button, take a moment to add any additional text you'd like to include with your link. This could be a personal comment, an explanation of why you're sharing the link, or any other context you think is necessary. Personalizing your message can make your post more engaging and informative. Once you're satisfied with your post, it's time to make it live. Simply click the post button and your link will be shared with your Facebook friends or followers. They'll be able to click on the link directly from your post and be taken to the web page you've shared. And that's it. You've successfully added a clickable link to your Facebook post. This simple but powerful feature can be a great way to share valuable content and engage with your audience on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.